Welcome to Cancun, one of Mexico's most vibrant destinations, known for its pristine beaches, crystal clear waters, and luxury resorts. But did you know right here in Cancun, there's a piece of ancient history waiting to be explored? This is El Rey, one of the most fascinating archaeological sites in the area. El Rey, which translates to the king, is a small but significant Mayan archaeological site located in the heart of Cancun's hotel zone. With its stunning natural surroundings, El Rey is often overlooked by tourists, but it's a hidden gem rich in history and culture. El Rey was once a bustling Mayan city. Its prime location, near the coast, suggests it was an important hub for trade, culture, and spiritual life. The site is thought to have flourished from 1000 BC to around 1500 AD. Its ruins reveal the sophisticated architecture and urban planning of the ancient Maya civilization. At the heart of the ruins, you'll find several platforms, temples, and small pyramids, all built with the characteristic Mayan style, stone masonry, wide steps, and steep, angled walls. One of the most notable structures is the pyramid platform, which might have been used for ceremonial purposes, offering a glimpse into the religious practices of the time. While El Rey might not have the grandeur of Chichen Itza or Tulum, it offers something special. Nestled amidst the lush jungle, it provides an authentic experience, far from the crowds. As you walk through the site, you'll likely encounter iguanas basking in the sun and other local wildlife, which adds a unique charm to your visit. El Rey is also known for its wildlife. Iguanas are a common sight here, and they've become one of the site's most iconic residents. These ancient reptiles seem almost like natural guardians of the ruins, blending in seamlessly with their surroundings. The site is compact, making it ideal for a leisurely walk. Visitors can stroll along well-marked paths, exploring the various structures. The layout of the site gives you a sense of the community that once lived here, as it's believed to have been a bustling village, possibly home to merchants, priests, and craftsmen. Look closely, and you may spot some of the intricate carvings and stone engravings left behind by the Maya. These carvings are thought to depict important figures, events, and deities of the time, offering valuable insight into the culture and religion of the ancient civilization. Before you leave, be sure to visit the small museum located at the entrance of El Rey. Here you'll find artifacts recovered from the site, including pottery, tools, and remnants of jewelry. These items help piece together the everyday lives of the people who once lived in this area. Despite being right in the middle of Cancun's bustling hotel zone, El Rey offers a peaceful escape where history comes to life. Its secluded setting, combined with its intriguing ruins and natural beauty, makes it a perfect spot for history buffs, nature lovers, or anyone seeking a quieter experience away from the typical tourist attractions. Before you head out, stop by the small visitor center or gift shop for a souvenir to remember your visit. Whether you're picking up a book on Mayan history or a small trinket, it's a nice way to take a piece of El Rey with you. Whether you're a history enthusiast, an adventurer, or just someone seeking to experience the true essence of Cancun beyond the beaches, El Rey is a must-see. It's a place where the past and present meet, offering a glimpse into the lives of the ancient Maya and a peaceful escape into nature. Come explore El Rey, the king of ancient ruins in Cancun.